Alright, video 11. So, what can I say? Guys, it's very important to remember that your fingers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And I know that a lot of people have issues with controlling their fingers just because they normally don't use their fingers that much, and that's absolutely okay. So, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so try to make these exercises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then with your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you're able to do these exercises, try to make them a bit more complicated. 1, 4, 2, 5, 4, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1. Yeah, then with your left hand. I don't know, let's choose this one. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. Yeah, then try to do them together. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. Yeah. Once again, it is very important to keep your hands naturally curved. Yes, so don't try to control your hands by making them to do something. No, look, absolutely relaxed fingers. Yeah, so you don't do anything extra. You just hold your hands naturally curved, relaxed, and then you put them on the piano like this. Yeah, that's why till now when you've seen videos how I'm playing, I was using just your middle fingers, just because that helps to control the shape of your palm. Yeah, so this is the normal shape. Not any of the fingers should be up. Yeah, they shouldn't be stiff. They should be relaxed and free. Yeah, very flexible. Yeah, so always control this. Try to always control your palms and your fingers. If not, relax them. Yeah, so they may sometimes become tight and stiff. Just shake off the stiffness, just shake off the tension, and then get back to the beginning position again, where your palms are curved and relaxed. Good luck with these guys.